going to Seattle this weekend to check out the boat show. So I'm gonna fill up the car for the road trip. Or am I? Maybe eventually. A lot of cars. A lot of people doing stuff this weekend.
It's gonna be rainy, and I forgot my raincoat. We're going to the Vancouver. Wait, no, we went there already.
Yeah.
We're going to the Seattle Boat Show. What's this?
Coffee. Want some?
This isn't Starbucks.
Nope, it's Black Rock.
Kelly, you're gonna lose our sponsorship with this.
Oh no! I need to figure out how to get there.
Here's the Portland we know and love. Traffic and rain. Rain and traffic.
Entering Seattle.
Home of the Seattle dog. What's that, you ask? It's a delicious thing. Sausage in a roll with cream cheese and grilled onions.
We could make that a thing when we go to boat shows, is have an eclectic hot dog.
Yeah, we should. I forgot that we had one last time.
How could you forget the Japa dog?
It wasn't that memorable. The Seattle dog is way superior. So my buddy Derek is letting us stay with him, which is pretty awesome because now we don't have to spend a bunch of money on a hotel. And he lives in a really nice part of Seattle. Like, check it out, this is the street.
Look at the greeting light.
Murders happen here.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
A little moist. I have a hood for the first time in forever. I bought this jacket at Costco.
Nice.
So, Kel,
Yes.
headed to the boat show. We're gonna go see the floating part first. And I'm a little hungry, a little
Get
peckish.
some breakfast?
Let's do it.
Turkey?
Let's go find a Carl's Jr. They have the best breakfast sandwiches. If you'd like to see my ratings on all the breakfast sandwiches, it is as follows. Number 5, Burger King. They're all right. The croissant thing is microwaved. It's not so good. Number 4, McDonald's. You've all been to McDonald's. You know what you're dealing with there. The one with the syrup in it is like guiltily
Brittle?
tasty. Yeah. Number 3, Jack in the Box. Now this didn't used to be a thing, but Jack in the Box has come up strong lately because they have these new breakfast biscuits that are quite tasty.
Breast biscuits.
And they have one that comes with sausage and one that comes with chicken with this weird white sauce on it. It's quite good. I don't know what it's made of, and I don't want to know. Number 2. What is number 2? This might be a deviation because typically we go to Del Taco and get their little breakfast wraps with a hash brown in it, salsa and eggs. Quite delicious. Get it with the bacon. And number 1, as you've probably already guessed, Carl's Jr. Their biscuits are phenomenal. And they got the bacon and the egg and the cheese. So delicious. There you have it. Let's go to the boat show. Never leave home without it.
Where are we going for breakfast?
We're headed to a biscuit place. The name of it has biscuit in it.
Yeah?
We'll show it to you
When we find it.
if we can find it.
Do you know where we're going?
Kind of. I saw it on a map and I know the general direction. This way. Quick update. It's actually this way.
Oh!
What is that? Gonna booze it up?
Maybe. Are you?
I don't know. I haven't decided yet.
Strongly considering it.
Brunch beverages. What's your spirit animal?
Baby rhino.
Why a baby rhino?
They're cute, little, but like little tanks.
They're like the bulldogs of the animal kingdom.
Google it.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die! It's so fluffy!
Okay, I Googled it.
Okay.
And I think that rhinoceroses might be the only, or rhinoceri? Anyway, they might be the only animal where the full-grown adults are way cuter than the babies. It's those things are freaking ugly. Seriously.
I mean, the adults are definitely like cooler looking. But
I don't know. The baby rhino is not a like cute animal.
I think it's so ugly.
I thought every baby was supposed to be super cute, but that one does not qualify.
No.
My spirit animal is yet to be determined.
Okay.
I'll have to think on that.
Silver fox.
My spirit animal is Anderson Cooper. Helpful tip. Sit next to the door for a stunning visual effect of the heat of your food rising because it's so cold.
It's pretty chilly outside.
Yeah. What did you get?
Ham, egg, and what is it? Apple mustard.
Mmm. Mine's like the Reggie Deluxe in Portland. They just copied them. We'll see how it tastes. Eat it all.
Right up front, that was not a good afterbite to what I'm eating.
Yeah.
But it got spicy and good.
It's spicy and peppery, huh?
Yeah.
It is quite delicious. I still give the slight win to Pine State Biscuits in Portland. Reggie Deluxe for life. It's the best thing ever. I win again, like always. That was solid. I give that place a solid 8 on the Chris scale, which is pretty good. How about you?
That apple mustard was a 10. But
What?
overall, I go with an 8.
8?
Yeah.
All right, so 2 8s. Let's go to the boat show.
Okay.
We enter the gates and start wandering around, and all we see is a bunch of powerboats. But then I got smart. Here we go. This looks better. Masts. That's the best part about sailboats. You can just look up and see where they're at.
Yeah, that's the best part about
It
sailboats.
really is. Should we start at the end and work our way back?
Sure.
Let's do that. This boat is 41 feet, so it's just about the same size as ours. I like how the lines go fed through there, but how do you get at them if there's a problem? Nice hatches. Nice Dodger. Lifelines are a nice height too. I really like how you just grab the top and these open up. It's a very simple, and it doesn't seem like it would have a whole lot of problems. I really like this, how it's not a full enclosure, it's just half, so you can see someone's head if they were using the shower. I like how you can see their head, but it wouldn't necessarily close them off completely. That's a good idea. It's got a track above, and this guy slides around it, closes off the shower area. There's a lot of things I liked looking at on that boat.
Like what?
The stove size, and I liked how the bathroom had a really almost looked like an airplane style sink.
Yeah.
So that's kind of what we're looking for. Plus it had a dedicated shower with the toilet in it, which is exactly what we're doing.
Yeah.
And I really liked how the shower closed off to about your height here, so you could still see the person showering his head, but they have their privacy. Seemed like a good idea. Maybe I just wasn't as savvy as I am now, but I feel like there's way more sailboats and more to look at on each one than what 2 years ago. What size cord do you think that is?
A big one.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Oh, wow. Sold. Maybe perfect for a day like today. Dude, look at this. Mini golf.
Footer, only 200 grand.
We save almost $15,000. This is huge in here.
Yeah. 53-footer. Nice and beamy. Let's wait till we get to the Catamaran.
Check out this desk.
What?
This desk pops up and it becomes a vanity. That's pretty cool. What?
This is exactly what we should do. 3-piece, folding out, acrylic, and then it looks like it kind of uses magnets to like put it in place. It seems a little sketchy until you actually lock it in place.
Yeah, I like that idea a lot.
I could do that. I could do that. $650, Kelly. It's only $650 for a Lagoon 40. This is the one that we would rent if we went to the BVI's.
Feel free to cruise the deck, but we've got about 8 people down below, so it's not crowded down there.
Is this a boat for giants?
It seems like it. Mommy, come on, snack.
It is big.
See, catamarans never sink, but they can flip. So when it flips over, you pull this out, you crawl out that.
Oh, it's like
That's what that's for.
It's
Yeah.
not just like.
Well, it does both. Dual purpose.
I think that's really
Yeah, this slides over to here. See you guys.
That is Trick Daddy. I like it.
It is Trick Daddy for sure, Kelly. I said this is going to be very similar to what we're going to do. This is quite a climb up, but I mean, really not that hard. It'd be nice if this was up a little bit farther, or if there's another step.
Yeah.
What do you think there? You want a catamaran?
I mean, someday, when we're old.
I think, yeah, that's a good solid strategy. For now, we'll keep ours. I'll follow you.
Follow me, Andy. I know the way.
This boat is a 38. It's the same size as ours.
So ours feels this comfortable when we're done.
There are some things I like about it already.
$250,000 can be yours.
That's
There's
it.
also a $282,000 version. It's kind of like a focal point. It's like,
Yeah, the shininess of it.
yeah, that's what we should go with. Just a really shiny chrome.
I like, see the wood inlay on the window?
Yeah,
That's cool.
it is. So we can totally build that out.
Yeah. I kind of like the lightness of it, actually. Seems beachy to me.
I'm not a fan of beachy.
I am.
Tough.
Is it tough for you?
No, because we gotta agree on things. We can't just pick something one of us likes.
Yeah.
Good use of space. This is kind of what we're talking about. See, wouldn't you like to know how deep this actually is? All right, here's the deal, Kelly. When we go to Annapolis, we're bringing a freaking tape measure. Don't forget,
Okay, I will not forget.
because I've literally wanted one a dozen times already.
Point me.
Ahoy!
Hi there.
This boat seems extremely functional, but like hideously ugly.
It is pretty ugly. Down to the color. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
So far, this funky crazy boat is the only one with solar panels. And it has a pilot house. This is where the hot tub goes. Pretty convinced.
I mean, it gets really nice really fast, but outside it's just
Yeah, that's-
so unorthodox as far as sailboats go. Like, what is the point of that jacuzzi tub area up there?
Let's find out.
I guess it's just
As we
functional.
go down below.
You definitely go down a ways. Wow, there's a lot of space. Huh.
Okay, so that's the little tub area.
So I've heard of island packets before. I've never obviously seen one, and if this is what all of them are like, it's an interesting line of boats. I can see why they're kind of like singled out to be their own entity. Because it's wild. I mean, you've got like a
Yeah, this is confusing.
The runaround thing. It's like a house.
It's like a house that's been remodeled several times.
Shower. By amateurs.
There's a lot of space though.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like they had an idea and just kind of kept going.
Keel stepped past.
There's a lot of headroom in here. I mean, I think that's probably 7.5 feet. Maybe
No.
6. Well, over here, because it kind of curves up. And,
Oh, maybe.
yeah.
It's wildly comfortable inside. This is a pretty nice thing.
See, I'm not crazy. People do this.
No,
This is a design element.
it's called shiplap for a reason, Kelly.
But on the inside.
Oh yeah, I mean that's what. It is cool. I think it'll look great.
I think so too.
We'll have to see. We'll play with both before we make a final decision.
As we should. What do you think of the colors in here?
I like it very much. So I can't seem to find something like that. The ones that I find, they're a lot more clunky and old style. I'm sure they have them made just for them, but it would be nice if they were commercially available and you can get some cooler looking light fixtures and stuff.
Oh, just help yourself. Some ridge claw.
This is a nice setup. I really like it. I like this kitchen because you got two drawered refrigerator over here, freezer down here, nice gimbaled stove, good area to kind of hook yourself in.
Prep.
That's muy bueno. I like this light bar. It's kind of a cool idea.
Ooh, I like that too. I don't think I would have seen that had you not pointed it out.
It's just more modern, and I think we should take our boat.
I just have a moment.
Outdoor kitchen. What do you think the mirror's for?
Yeah, this looks good. This one's rugged and tough.
Yeah. I'm kidding.
Got a wash down, plenty of room for all the chain you'd ever need. I don't even see any chain pass through. No V-berth in this one, Cal.
It was an absolutely gorgeous boat. Not really low hours.
This is a super cool, very expensive kitchen system where everything kind of fits together. It looks small, but it's really functional. 3 burners, and they all like
and Christy are
fit together and work in a cool way.
Very utilitarian.
It's got an E-perb and awesome doors. This boat's freaking cool, man. Arctic Monkey. What a surprise this little room
This
is.
is a surprise.
Look at
Look
this
that.
You could rent this out for $300 a night on Airbnb, no problem. Just this cabin.
I like the
Seriously,
view.
like this wood. This is the most attractive window setup I've seen.
Very cool.
I like how they're vertical and not horizontal. Okay, the use of space in this boat is awesome. I'm not a big fan of the kitchen. Bathroom is super sweet. That little cabinet is better than this one in my opinion. And the head is great. This is actually very useful because it's kind of similar to the plan we were going to have. Is have it live there and have it be pulled out. Then you can put the service wherever you want. And it's on a track. Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
So we're done for today. We decided, since we have all day tomorrow, we're gonna go downtown to the big expo center tomorrow. But for the rest of today, we're gonna relax and apparently eat some happy hour oysters. There they are.